Hey guys, Kyle with Lone Peak here. I want to show you guys how to use a torque wrench if you guys want to apply appropriate torque to your mounting hardware. This is just a probably $20 torque wrench from Harbor Freight. Let me show you guys how to adjust it. This handle here adjusts the actual torque value that you can read out on this little display. So let me put this back to 75 inch-pounds, which is what we recommend for this top bolt. This is an M6 hex wrench, and you basically turn this until you hear a click. The click means that you're at the set torque value. Now, I'm gonna adjust this to 100 inch-pounds. This guy's already at the properly set torque. Those are for the channel nut insert that actually attaches the puck to your camper. If you guys don't have a torque wrench, you can apply a similar amount of torque with a wrench like this. Just use a couple fingers on it, and it's really finger tight when you're levering it over. Any other hardware on the camper, you don't want to apply this much torque to. A lot of the bolts to mount it together are just finger tight. So if I were tightening some of the corner caps on the camper, I would actually be turning it like this instead of using a giant lever like this. So this is really the only place that we need lots of torque. If you guys have any questions at all, please reach out to team@lonepeakoverland.com.